My program is essentially computer science, which we are programming computers, we're programming robots, we're creating automation scripts to actually control devices in the real world and through software, such as applications, games, whatever.
So far, I've learned different coding languages like Python, HTML, and CSS. I've also learned how to deal with robotics, and I've also learned how to set up games from the ground up.
Careers would be computer science programmers. Everyone needs a website, so web development, web apps is a huge portion of what we do. Robotics automation is now the new thing, and so we're doing a lot of that as well, where these kids can actually do hands-on stuff and then get employment, in the real world doing that kind of thing.
This class has prepared me for my plans after high school by getting me certified in these programming languages ahead of time.
Students that will be successful are typically going to be the ones that are very detail-oriented. Programming is an unforgiving art. It is an art and it's beautiful, but small mistakes cause dramatic negative effects, so we have to be very careful. So someone who's, likes problem solving, likes puzzles, but also attention to detail is paramount.